Snow White Goes Techie.
One day, a beautiful but slightly jealous queen turned on her magic mirror. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the prettiest of them all? Instead of the mirror speaking, Snow White appears on the screen and says, "You may be pretty, but I've got an Apple Watch." Apple Watch? I'm still using a clock with bell on it. When Snow White's smartwatch warned her, "Toxic apple ahead," she ran straight into the forest. "This watch keeps making me run. Now I have to search for a healthy apple in the jungle." Deep in the jungle, Snow White found a little cottage where 7 dwarfs were dancing non-stop. Are these dwarfs or TikTok viral stars? "Dance, my queen." Dwarf says, "The music will stop when the battery dies."
Just then, a strange old lady appeared, holding a shiny red apple. "Take it, dear. This apple is trending."
Snow White took the apple, sniffed it, and said, "This is expired. Even my fridge doesn't smell this bad." And when Snow White fell to the ground, Prince message, "I was coming, but there was a traffic jam, so I make an online order." Snow White, "Wow, are we going to get married on an app too now?" The queen got jealous. Again. "Humph, if Snow White can have a smartwatch, so can I." She buys one, but, queen confused, "Hello? Mirror? How do I turn this thing on? Is there a magic spell or something?" Tap screen like it's a lamp. Snow White's smartwatch saved her and gave her free fruits. The queen? She's still figuring out how to set the time.